with a potato crust. It's really easy because you don't need pie crust. So I'm going to start. First, we're going to heat up the oven, preheat it at 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, slice the potatoes. I use potatoes with the skin on them. I use this thing to slice my vegetables. I've had bad experiences. This is what I use, so it has like spikes on this side. I'm out of olive oil. I usually use olive oil. Some olive oil on, and some salt. Use my fingers. Then you mix them well. I'm going to start on the sides. Right now, today I'm using a 9.5 inch, a 20, I think it's like 24 centimeters, Pyrex pie dish. Like that. And it makes a really pretty crust too. That particular, and then we bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, so while the crust is baking, I'm going to make the filling. Okay, so I'm going to be using 250 grams of ground pork, and I don't use oil because a lot of oil comes out of the ground pork. Need 5 eggs. I beat them well. Okay. While that is cooking, I am going to cut a tomato. That's why I get the stem off. Okay, and then just put them in the egg. This recipe is a request from my friend's husband, actually. I gave this recipe to my friend and she makes it. She loves it, her son loves it, and so now her husband wants to cook it. So she asked if I can make a video of it. Isn't that nice? It's nice when husbands like to cook. It really helps a lot. So I want my ground pork to be cooked, and I don't want it to be in chunks, so I kind of break it up. I'm just gonna put the whole thing in here. Yes, you're okay. Hey, Bunker. Hi. I don't know if you can see her. I can't see her. Elisa. Hi. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So we want long onion. Okay. That looks good. About half a cup of long onion. No, no, no. Lisa, don't tickle me. Okay, then I mix it well. And then we add 1 cup of milk. Okay. And half a cup of cheese. Okay, so that's half a cup of cheese. Okay, and then I'm going to put some garlic powder in. Some sea salt. And some pepper. Okay, and then the filling is done. So we just have to wait for the potato crust to be done. Okay, so the crust is done. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Right, we're gonna put the cheese mixture in. Okay, and try to even it out. Okay. And then we're gonna bake it for 30 minutes and then it's going to be done. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. That looks absolutely perfect. I'm gonna show you what it looks like and it smells awesome. Ta-da!